Hi, welcome to Your Mentor YouTube channel. To get the government job, PhD admissions, work from home job, PGT, TGT and assistant professor job notifications, subscribe the channel and then tap the bell icon. Share, like and comment my videos. And in this video, we are going to see the permanent government job notification from the Sarkari side itself. So with any post graduation, you may get up to 1,12,400 rupees per month. Why? Because it is the level 6 7th CPC pay scale. And you may apply from any state, guys. So please share this video to your friends or colleagues who belongs to the qualifications whatever I'm going to show you in this notification. Okay, and it will be very much helpful to them in this pandemic situation. And if your requirement is not there in this video, then please mention your requirement in the comment section of this video. If I got the recruitment notification which is matching up with your profile, then definitely I will come up in the next video. And to get my next video as immediate notification, subscribe the channel and then tap the bell icon. And watch this video until the end to get the complete details regarding this government side job notification. Before going into the main content of this video, myself I am Ashwani Kumar, the educator of electronic science and the general paper 1. So the candidates who are preparing for the UGC NET exam in the next cycle, here the new batch course is going to start from October 27th onwards. So it is a paper 1 and electronic science course, guys. The interested candidates may take the subscription plan. So here you may check down. So whatever the subscription plan you want to take, you may use my referral code, that is ASWINIK, to get 10% discount. While coming to the present content of the video, so it is Government of India Ministry of Defense, okay, from Pune. So from this one here we got the few recruitment notifications, guys. So applications in prescribed format are invited from eligible candidates for appointment to the post of Junior Hindi Translator, Subdivisional Officer, Grade 2, and the Hindi Typist in the offices of Defense Estates Organization, Government of India, Ministry of Defense. Okay, and here I may check down that. Okay, I will show you the pay scales and all these things and how many number of vacancies are there, what is the age limitations in this table, and later I will show you the educational qualifications also. Okay, so here the Junior Hindi Translator 9,300 to 34,800 plus, grade pay is also available 4,200, and the pay level will be level 6 of the pay matrix as per the 7th CPC. So as per the 7th CPC, the maximum pay scale is 1,12,400 rupees per month, as I mentioned in the thumbnail. So here the total 7 number of vacancies are there, and out of this 7, okay, here you may check down that how many vertical vacancies are there and how many horizontal vacancies are there, and the age limitation is 18 to 30 years. Of course, the age relaxation is there as per the Government of India norms, and the subdivisional officer grade 2, so 5,200 to 20,400 plus grade pay is also available. So level 4 of the pay matrix as per the 7th CPC. Total 89 vacancies are there, so 18 to 27 years. And the next one is Hindi Typist. So level 2 of the pay matrix as per the 7th CPC. So one vacancy is there, 18 to 27 years. And here instructions to apply given here. So first of all, the educational qualification for the Junior Hindi Translator. So here 1, 2, 3 and 4. Okay, total 4 are given, but all these 4 are not required. Out of these 4, any one is required. Okay, out of these 4, any one is enough. So the first one is master's degree of the recognized university in English or Hindi as a compulsory or the elective subject or as a medium of examination at degree level, or master's degree of a recognized university in any subject other than Hindi or English with Hindi or English medium and English or Hindi as a compulsory or the elective subject, or either as a compulsory or the elective subject at your degree level. That means at your degree level, either Hindi or English a subject must be there. Okay, and your PG must be belongs to any discipline. It's not a problem. Okay, your PG might be belongs to any discipline, but in your graduation, either English or the Hindi as a elective or the compulsory as a subject is there, then you can apply for this one. Next, master's degree of recognized university in any subject other than the Hindi or English with Hindi or English medium and English or Hindi as a compulsory or the elective subject or the medium of examination at the degree level, or else bachelor's degree of a recognized university with Hindi and English as a compulsory or elective subject, or either of the two as a medium of examination and the other as a compulsory or the elective subject, plus a recognized diploma certificate course in translation from Hindi English to Hindi and vice versa, or 2 years of experience of the translation work from Hindi to English and vice versa in central or the state government of India taking. Fine. So these are the qualifications, guys. In a simple that I can tell that any post graduation, okay, any post graduation other than the Hindi or English, okay, but at your degree level, Hindi or English, any one subject must be there as a elective or the compulsory subject. Or else if you are having the PG in Hindi or English, then it's very nice, no problem. Okay. And coming to the educational qualification for subdivisional officer 2, matriculation passed from a recognized board, and along with that one, the diploma or certificate of a registered or the recognized institute in surveying or the draftsmanship of not less than 2 years. And education qualification for the Hindi typist, matriculation and the speed of not less than 25 words per minute in typewriting in Hindi. And the exam pattern for junior Hindi translator is given here. So there will be written test of 200 marks, and the written test for the junior Hindi translator shall comprise of objective 120 marks consisting of general English, general knowledge, Hindi, grammar, translation related questions, and the descriptive type test 80 marks will be there consisting of translation of passage, that is English to Hindi and Hindi to English. The duration of the exam shall be 2 hours. And the examination pattern for subdivisional officer 2 is also given here, and for the Hindi typist is also given here. So the age limitations or the relaxations as per the Government of India norms, okay, that you may check down, guys. Fine. And yeah, so the application should be filled in prescribed pro forma given below and sent by the ordinary post in an envelope as application for the post of junior Hindi translator or subdivisional officer or else Hindi typist, and should be addressed to the Principal Director, Defence Estate, Southern Command, near ECHS Polyclinic, Kondwa Road, Pune. So candidate should send the application form along with the admit card duly filled, okay, affixing the recent passport, recent photographs duly self-attested. So these are all the points are there, guys. So you please check down very carefully. And the interview will not be there. The selection will be directly based upon your performance in the written test. Okay. The last date for the receipt of application is 15th Jan 2022. And the application fee is also given here. That is a 200 rupees. And a demand draft you should take, guys. And the women candidates and the candidates belonging to SC, ST, ex-servicemen and EWS candidates or reservation are exempted from the payment of fee. And the application forms you can download from the respective websites, guys. Okay, so here the respective websites are also given here. So you may download from those websites. Got it? So it is the clear-cut recruitment notification from the Government of India, Ministry of Defence. So utilize this opportunity who are having this qualification and share this video to your friends or colleagues. It will be very much helpful to them in this pandemic situation. And to get the more notifications like this, subscribe the channel and then tap the bell icon. And the candidates who are preparing for the UGC NET examination, here from Unacademy side, here one announcement follows. So if you are interested, you may continue this video, otherwise you may stop this video by here itself. Thank you. Jai Hind. Yeah, hi guys, welcome to my channel. So myself, I am Ashwani Kumar, Unacademy educator of electronic science as well as the general paper 1, that is teaching and research aptitude. So myself, I cleared the UGC NET as well as the GATE for the 2 times in electronics and communication subject. And in this video, I want to bring you one new batch course for the candidates who are preparing for the next NTA UGC NET exam cycle. So next cycle means as of right now in the month of November and December, NTA UGC NET is conducting the exam for the December 2020 as well as the June 2021 med cycle. Fine. And the next cycle is the December 2021. So Unacademy started the new batch course, guys, for the paper 1 as well as the paper 2. And the highlights of this course are online live classes you will get. And even though if you miss the live class due to your busy schedule, you can watch the recorded videos also. And you can download the class PDFs also, which will be very much helpful for your preparation purpose, or else to write the short notes purpose, or else the revision purpose. And the test series are also you can avail from this new batch course. And while coming to the official website of the Unacademy, so all of you know that Unacademy is India's largest learning platform. So it is not only providing the paid courses, guys, it is providing the free online classes also. And you will get the free online classes on the 2 platforms. One is on Unacademy YouTube channel and one is on Unacademy app itself in the name of special classes. So here, what I mean, NTA is conducting the UGC NET examination for a total 81 subjects, right? So out of the 81 subjects, Unacademy is providing the online courses or else the what you call paid courses. Okay, that is nothing but complete coaching for the subjects that you may explore. What are the different subjects Unacademy is providing this UGC NET examination purpose? And coming to the list of the subjects, so general paper 1 teaching is common. That means teaching aptitude, that is paper 1 is common, that you will get in English language as well as the Hindi language. And coming to the remaining paper 2 subjects are commerce, management, computer science and application, political science, history, economics, sociology, labor welfare and English and education, and geography, law, Hindi, psychology, public administration, electronic science, home science, environmental sciences, philosophy, mass communication and journalism, tourism administration, management, Sanskrit, Punjabi, okay, and anthropology. So these are the different subjects that Unacademy is providing, guys. And while coming to the myself, as I told that I'm providing the subject that is electronic science. So it is my profile. So for both paper 1 as well as the electronic science, I'm the Unacademy educator. So the information to the electronic science candidates, I mean, not only to the electronic science candidates, so whatever the subject I shown you right now. So if you want to take the subscription plan where the new batch courses are going to start, guys, okay, if you want to take the subscription plan for all this one, then you may click on this get subscription. As I told in the starting itself that you will get the free online class as well as the paid courses also. But under the subscription, you will get the complete in detailed syllabus as per the UGC syllabus, guys. And you may take the plus or the iconic subscription. So if you click on the plus, okay, these are the different subscription plans are there. So you may take 1 month or 3 months or 6 months or 12 or 24 months. Okay. And here the price are also mentioned. So for 1 month 3,190 and 3 months 6,875 like this. And whatever the current course are running, they are maximum up to the 3 months, okay, or else beyond the 3 months. So the suggestible one is the 3 months or the 6 months of subscription plan, or else if you are preparing for the next other cycles, you may take more than 6 months also. And if you go to this one here, it mentions that have a referral code here. So here I am providing one referral code, guys, ASWINIK. Okay. So if you click on this referral code and apply, so whatever the plan you are going to take here, for example, if you want to take the 6 months of subscription plan, okay, and if you use my referral code that is ASWINIK, then you will get the 10% discount. Okay, 10% off you will get on any one of the subscription plan. So previously I shown you whatever the subjects that is providing for the providing by the Unacademy. So for any subjects you will get the 10% discount for the referral code that is ASWINIK, and then click on the proceed to pay. Okay, and while coming to the electronic science and the paper 1. Okay, so the new batch course is going to start from November 3rd onwards. Okay, that means the day after yesterday, November 3rd onwards. So all the interested candidates may take the subscription plan, guys, can utilize the opportunity. So already the course schedule, everything is launched here. Fine. So you may check down in my profile link also. And after downloading the Unacademy app, you may click on, you may search by this name, okay, Ashwini Kumar Gadige. Then you will be directed to my profile link and you may check down, okay, the schedule of this upcoming batch course. Fine. And here the lot of previously the course taken students, the lot of the students are highly satisfied, guys. So I may check down the dedications also from the previous batch students, right? So and you can also come on the free online classes also, that as I told that you will get on the Unacademy YouTube channel as well as on the special classes. So for example, before taking the subscription plan, if you want